Last week, the Pima County Board of Supervisors voted in favor of having the Pima County Health Department come up with a plan to prevent measles. Throughout the nation, the CDC says there are over 300 cases, and while there are no confirmed cases here in Arizona, KGUN 9's Andrew Christensen talked to the health director about the plan.
So the Pima County Health Department, they're coming up with a plan to make sure that measles don't come here. So what they're doing is they're reaching out to schools to see if 95% of their kindergartners are vaccinated for measles. So if they're not, then they say they're going to offer them a mobile vaccination clinic.
95% vaccination gives us what we call herd immunity.
At that point, Pima County Health Director Dr. Teresa Cullen says if a child has measles, they're much less likely to transmit it.
They're already immunized, so theoretically they won't get measles.
Most people, she says, get their 2 shots between 12 and 15 months and 5 to 6 years old.
They are considered immune, so they don't need to get another shot.
As of March 20th, the CDC says there are 378 confirmed measles cases in the U.S.
Probably because of COVID, there's been more vaccine hesitation.
Early on, she says symptoms look like a cold with a runny nose, pink eye, and a cough. A few days later, she says, you get a rash.
It usually starts at your forehead and then works your way down.
She says it's extremely contagious.
Everybody that comes in that room for the next 2 hours is theoretically exposed.
The last time someone had measles in Pima County, she says, was an unvaccinated traveler in 2019. If there was an outbreak, she says they have a plan.
We simulate that we've gotten a call.
If someone was potentially exposed, she says, they would contact them and check their immunization status.
When you vaccinate yourself, you're protecting your family and protecting your community.
If you've only gotten 1 shot or you think you had measles but actually didn't, Dr. Cullen says you can get your blood tested to see if you're immune. She also says you can get an updated shot. Reporting on Ajo and Country Club, Andrew Christensen, KGUN 9.